So last 2 years have been very challenging for the mattress industry because of pandemic, lockdowns. Uh, but there was a silver lining too. The consumers sitting at home, working from home, spend a lot of time on mattresses and realize the importance of mattress and because the amount of time you spend on it. They were also working, sitting on the mattress. So they were able to connect the dots that how important mattress is in good comfort or sleep, and that was one silver lining. Otherwise, last 2 years have been challenging from a business point of view. But looking forward, we feel that the new awareness amongst the consumer will definitely help the industry in expanding the market. So some of the trends that I see is that this renewed awareness and the consumer connecting good sleep to good health, and mattress being an important element in a good sleep. So I see there would be sale of more high-end, more comfortable mattresses, and more importance will be given to the mattress, which will expand the both the average selling price and also the level of mattress that we are selling today. Feels great, absolutely. I mean, we have been talking on phone, virtual calls, but there is no substitute to face-to-face interaction. And I can sense the energy after 2 years. I mean, people have just come back with revenge because they wanted to see things, innovations, and meet people. So it has been fantastic, absolutely. So the future is very bright. Our per capita consumption of mattress is extremely low. So the more awareness we create amongst consumer on the importance of mattress and good sleep, I think we have a very long to go and a huge opportunity waiting for us.